This tutorial will show you how you can use Hootsuite to manage your Twitter streams. First of all, once you have created your Twitter account and signed into Twitter and also signed into Hootsuite.com, you're going to be directed to your Hootsuite dashboard. On your Hootsuite dashboard, you'll notice here, there's my little avatar and my icon for my Twitter account. And down here I have this add a stream. So the first thing I want to add is my home stream. My home stream consists of all the people in which I follow. So I'm going to say home stream. So now my home stream shows all the people that I've chosen to follow, and those tweets will continue to show up there in my home stream. I have a little refresh button here for every time I want to refresh that stream. If I wanted to delete that stream, I would hit the X button. I could also add a stream of mentions. So if anyone mentioned me, that means they put the @ sign and my username beside me, I could add that stream. I could also add a stream of my direct messages. And I can also quickly do a search here for streams. Let's do that right now. So I'm going to add this search, and it asks me to do a Twitter search. So let's say I'm a kindergarten teacher and I want to search the kinder chat hashtag. So I'm just going to go and type in kinder chat, and I'm going to click on search. And right now the kinder chat stream has been added to my Hootsuite dashboard. And let's say that I'm also really interested in using iPads. So I'm going to go down here and do another search. And I'm going to type in the hashtag iPadEd and search. And we can see here I have another stream added called iPadEd. So anytime anyone tweets something that has iPadEd in it, I will receive those updates. Now I can scroll sideways to go back and forth among my streams, and I could continue adding more streams if I wanted to. However, when you're first starting out, it might be a good idea just to pick 1 or 2 streams to start following. And now if I want to search other users as well, I could go up to this little search icon here. And what I want to just double check here by this little drop down arrow, right now it's like a Twitter search, but if I want to find users, I'll tap on that and I'll say find Twitter users. So let's say that I'm looking for some friends and colleagues. So if I just type in their name here, so it will come up with anybody who has that name who is on Twitter. And right below it, it says follow Shannon Pasma. So I'm going to click on that, and it just asks me to show which network I should use to follow it. And it gives me a message now saying you're now following Shannon Pasma. Other ways I can follow people is if I'm looking here in my stream and I think, oh, this person looks really interesting. I like the things that they're tweeting about. I want to follow them as well. I would just click on their name, and then down here at the bottom, it just shows me follow. So I could follow, and then I can just close that little window. Last, but certainly not least, you can send your tweets via Hootsuite. Up here at the top, I have my compose message icon, where I can simply type in my message. And when I'm finished typing in my message, I simply click send now. And it tells me that my message has been posted. Again, remembering when you are putting an all call out for support, it's a good idea to put in a hashtag so that can connect to people who do not directly follow you. If I'm looking to tweet out a link to something, I do have a URL shortener in here because, as you know, with Twitter, we are limited to 140 characters. So let's say I have a really long link. If I were to paste it in here, it takes up pretty much all of my text. So what I will do instead is I'm just going to copy that link from my web browser, and I'm going to paste it into this add link, and then I'm going to click on shrink. And it just tells me that a shortened URL has been added, and then I can click send now. Additionally, if I would like to retweet a message that someone else has tweeted, I'll just take my mouse, I'll hover it over their message, and you can see here I have options to reply or to retweet or to send them a direct message. So I'm just going to hit here and I'm going to say retweet, and I get a message saying retweet to my followers, and I will say yes. And then it tells me again that my message has been retweeted. So that has been a short tutorial on using Hootsuite to manage your Twitter account.